smartest lawyer in the world is not generally the best lawyer in the world. The best lawyer in the world is somebody who understands their clients, understands people, understands how people think. I've been practicing in criminal law for 22 years. Criminal law can mean anything from shop theft right through to murder. The majority of cases are heard in the magistrates court. Having a bit of seniority now, I tend to work in the superior courts, the county court and the Supreme Court. I've heard every lawyer joke I think that's ever gone around, but until you actually need a lawyer, you don't understand the importance of what we do. But what makes a good lawyer is someone who is able to strategise. And what I do, somebody comes to see me, from day one, I think of how I'm going to solve this problem. What experts do I need to discredit the prosecution case, for example? How will my client go giving evidence? Who is the best barrister in the circumstances to run his case or her case? And sometimes you also have to have honest conversations with people. A lot of people who come to see me are generally very good people who have made stupid decisions, and I do my best to try and fix that. Part of my role is pastoral. I spend a lot of time with clients, but also with their spouses and their parents, and I try to put them at ease. I think it's important that people are informed before they make major decisions that affect their lives. What I love and the satisfaction I get out of this, it's intellectually stimulating. I like to argue. I like to win, and I like to have a fight, and I don't like to back down. Those things in combination are satisfying. Also the fact that I can help people and I can help change people's lives. One particular story, and this is one of my favourite clients, very intelligent young man who unfortunately got mixed up with ICE. He was a university student, found himself facing aggravated burglary and armed robbery charges. He was sentenced to 5 years with a minimum of 3. And I ran an argument in the county court because he'd been to Odyssey House. Time in a residential rehabilitation centre should count in a way as pre-sentence detention because it's confining. And it was rejected by the judge, and we took it to the Court of Appeal. We've succeeded, and it now stands for the proposition that time in a residential rehabilitation facility gives you time off your sentence. Going back to this kid, he finished his psychology degree whilst he was in custody, and now he works as a drug clinician at Odyssey House helping other people. So he completely turned his life around. It makes me feel immensely proud of the work I did in terms of the law, but it makes me feel really satisfied for him that he's going to have a happy life. And that's really rewarding in terms of having the ability to change people's lives in that way. So I enjoy pushing the boundaries. I enjoy making law. I enjoy running arguments that have never been run before. What I also appreciate when people come to see me is the trust that they put in me. I think it's really important to have a good relationship and a relationship of trust with your lawyer. And I'm always appreciative of clients who stick with me all the way and the trust and belief that they have in me.